All right, good morning, kindergarten. It is what month? Still February. It is February, and yesterday was 7, so what comes after 7? 8. Good job. And that means looking at the calendar. We said tomorrow will be in this. It's tomorrow, so tomorrow we'll move it over to today is. Looking up at the calendar, days of the week. It says Tuesday. Tuesday is today. So that means yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday because yesterday means we go back. And tomorrow looking forward, will be Wednesday. Wednesday. And we should have live PE tomorrow for Wednesday. And we all said today is Tuesday, so that means we have music at 8:45. That's right. Good job. So if someone says, what's today's date? You'll say, today's date is February. It wasn't 8, February 8th, 2022. And yesterday was 94 days of school. So it comes after 94, 95. Good job. So we have a whole group of 5 here, right? So do I add a 10 or a 1? Or what do we add? Right, we just went up one more in our 5 spot. So we're going to add, our 1 spot. So we're going to add one more, and I made it a 5 group, right? And we still have how many in our 10s? 9. So we have a group of 5 plus 4 more. 5 plus 4 equals a whole group of 9 10s and 5 1s, making it 95. How many more days until we get to 100? What's the jump from 95 to 100? 5, that's right. We have 5 more days until we get to 100. We're going to turn all of these in to one of these. So this is 10 strips, because 10 strips, or 10 times 10 equals 100. All right, what should we do? Yes, we should take away this 4 in the 1 spot and put a 5, making it, what is that number? Tell me. Oh, let me fix that. I put on the wrong block. Makes it 95. Good job. 95. Now let's get to our 10s. We need to add one more circle to cover up one more, and that makes it a whole group of 5, right? And what do we do on this page? We practice counting our 10 strips, so we count by 10s. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, freeze. Let's count by 1s. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Good job. Do you think we could count backwards? All right, let's try. 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, freeze. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, good job, kindergarten. All right, so remember, you have music today, so make sure you have your music bag and you go onto your live at 8:45. All right, have a good day.